Some important shortcut keys of MS Word. Let's start. Ctrl plus K, insert link. Ctrl plus X, cut selected text. Ctrl plus C, copy selected text. Ctrl plus V for paste. Ctrl plus Z, undo last action. Ctrl plus P, open the print window. F4, repeat last command. Ctrl plus A, select whole document. Ctrl plus B for bold selected text. Ctrl plus U, underline selected text. Ctrl plus S for save the document. Ctrl plus Z, find and replace option. Ctrl plus F, open find box. Ctrl plus N, open new document. Ctrl plus I, italic highlighted selection. Ctrl plus J, justify paragraph alignment. Ctrl plus L, align selected text to the left. Ctrl plus E, align selected text to the center. Ctrl plus R, align selected text to the right. Thanks for watching.